Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create Facebook groups. Let's get started. First, scroll down and open Facebook. Click on the three lines at the top right corner. A menu will appear. From the menu, you'll see Groups. Click on Groups and you'll see a list of suggested groups. To create your own group, click on the plus icon at the top menu bar, then click Create a Group. Now, choose a group name. For example, I'll create a group called Max Verstappen Fans. Set the privacy to Public and then click Create Group. If the group name is already in use, try altering it by adding a surname, emoji, or other variation. As shown in the video, click Create Group again. Ta-da! Your group has been created. Now, invite people to your group and click Next. Write a group description, like what the group is for or who it's for. Then click Next again and finally Done. Your group has been successfully created. To learn how to change your group's picture, name, and other settings, watch my next video. That's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to press the bell icon for updates.